Okay, hope you people are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how the atom will form by using the subatomic particles. We know that we are having the three types of subatomic particles: the positively charged particles, protons; negatively charged particles, electrons; and zero charge, neutral charged particles, neutrons. These three subatomic particles will constitute the atom. Okay, whenever the electrons and protons and neutrons will collectively combine or collectively exist in a place, that will form an atom. So let us see how the atoms will form and what are the differences between the atoms. So let me show you first of all one proton in its nucleus and one electron in its shell. This will form the hydrogen atom. As you can see here, one proton in its nucleus, and around it in the orbit, one electron will revolve around the nucleus. So one hydrogen atom will be formed. And as you can see here, it will be stable. Now, if you will add one more proton to it, it becomes unstable. The nucleus of the atom will become unstable as the nuclear charges will increases. So what will happen now? We have to introduce the proton in its shell. The neutron to its shell. When we introduce one neutron, it will act like a glue for the two protons and let them stick together, and so that the atom will become stable. Now, as you can see here, if the number of protons and number of electrons are different, so it will become a charged particle. How much amount of charges are there? Means the more the positive charges will be there, it will become the plus ion. Okay, so if you will introduce one more electron, now it will become neutral. As two protons and two neutrons are having +2 and -2 charges, will be equal to 0. So here this helium atom is stable, but usually it will exist in the form of two protons and two neutrons and two electrons. This is the helium atom. Now, if you will introduce one more electron, it will become a negative ion, as it is having the more number of electrons than the protons, but it will not actually will be like so. Okay, when we will introduce one more proton in its shell, as you can see here, the atom is looking like stable. This stable and unstable will depends upon the how much amount of protons and neutrons are there inside the nucleus. So we'll introduce one more. Okay, so here 3 protons and 3 neutrons are there. Usually the lithium will have 4 neutrons and 3 protons in it. Depending upon the number of neutrons, the atomic mass will differs. Okay, so here as you can see here, okay, these panels is actually showing that the number of protons and number of electrons, which will gives the atomic mass of an atom. Okay, number of protons and number of protons collectively known as the atomic mass number. So this is how the atom will form. Thank you so much. Hope you people understand the concept of the formation and formation of an atom and the distribution of electron in their shells. Thank you so much.